out here pulling carrots till my back hurts, and you're sitting on a throne eating fast food? Royal privileges.
Unbelievable.
Afternoon. You know why I pulled you over?
Defective windshield wipers?
No, because the car is full of cereal.
Right, yeah, we can explain.
It was for a fundraiser, and then the bag ripped.
No. What is happening? I'm flying. I'm actually flying. Incredible.
I said no pickles, and there are pickles all over this thing. Don't you screech at me.
Ma'am, please.
Rah, the fries are cold. Don't point at me.
Hey, let's just get you a
Forget it. I
refund.
never come.
Don't you start with me, fuzzball! You knocked over the sauce again! Yeah,